Always follow your installation instructions. This video is for information purposes only. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before removing doors. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. And remove the base grill from the bottom of the refrigerator. Close the refrigerator door and keep both doors closed until you are ready to lift them free from the cabinet. Remove the parts for the top hinge and lift the freezer door from the cabinet. It is important you provide additional support for the doors while the hinges are being moved. No matter the temptation, do not rely on the door's magnets to hold the doors in place while you are working. Remove the parts for the center hinge and lift the refrigerator door free from the cabinet. Always follow your installation instructions, included with every product or available online at www.kitchenaid.com.